What happened to you, buddy? What happened to you? You're all wet? How'd you get all wet?
No,
The hose? Who sprayed the hose?
Gigi.
You didn't. Gigi didn't spray you. Who sprayed you?
Abba.
Tyler sprayed you.
Mama.
Mama didn't spray you. What are we supposed to say today? What were we supposed to say? Happy
Happy
Mama's
Mama
Day.
Day.
Yay!
Mama.
Uh-huh.
Day.
Tell Mama, how old are you?
2.
What's your name?
Abba.
Tyler.
Hey.
Okay, say bye-bye, Mama.
Mama. Baba.
Bye-bye. Say I love you, Mama.